Here is how to use the web version of Smilefy AI. On the right side, you have under Smilefy AI several options: smile design with natural colors, edentulous patients, ortho simulations, bleaching, new smile, and so on. Select one option and click the button Smilefy AI. Now, Smilefy generates the AI design. Under the section Clinical Documentation, you can select 45 and 90 degrees picture. Why to generate 45 degrees and 90 degrees smile views? To achieve a comprehensive and accurate smile analysis, it is essential to generate additional viewing angles beyond the standard frontal image. Creating 45 degrees and 90 degrees views of the smile provides critical extra perspectives that significantly improve diagnostic quality and treatment planning. Final step: animate the smile design picture in a video and let your patient be happy.